Hey guys, uh, well, it's after 7 in the morning. I haven't slept yet. I have a horrible, horrible toothache. I've taken medicine for it, but it is raining here, and uh, my kids surprised me the other day with a it's Jack Skellington umbrella that changes color in the rain. So I wanted to make a little video for that. Uh, see what you thought. I can't wait to see it, you know, on video. So I'm gonna go out there now. I love rain anyway. Thunder. Oh, I just love rain. Cloudy days, like I said before, are good for me because uh, I can see better. Because it's cloudy and the sun isn't like in my eyes. Because remember, I said my pupils don't dilate, so they don't filter light. So, oh, let me get it. Okay. See how it is white? Everything else. I'll show it to you before I get it in the rain. Okay. I'm going to set the camera here on this little window ledge. Okay? Alright. Then pop it open. Let you see it. See it? It's all white. White when it's dry. Since it's raining pretty good, let's go see what happens. So cool. See the colors? We'll go back out. I hope you can see me out there. Okay, let's take another look. You see the colors? Oh, look at it. It's so cool. That changed. I gotta go back out there just because I like the rain. Look. So awesome. Look at it. So cool. There he is. so full. Okay, take it in now. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Hope your day is phantasmagorical. This is a phantasmagorical day to me. Love you guys. Bye.